Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are a newbie, thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and support. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make jumbo yarn braids for kids. The first thing you want to do is to get the length of the yarn you would be using for the braids. So just as I'm doing on the video, I just look for a place I can just get the length of the yarn I want by just going over and over the doorknob. So you can find any other thing. You might use the doorknob or something else that is so convenient for you to get the length of the yarn you'll be using. So the next color I'll be using is the brown. So I also did the same thing just to get the length of the yarn I'll be using. Alright, if this video is very helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up or share my content with your friends and families. Alright, also don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section, and in the situation where you have a question, I'll be glad to reply every question. Alright, also follow me on TikTok. I'm on TikTok, and I'm also on Instagram. Alright, thank you so much for your love and support, and I hope the video is very helpful to you. Continue to watch and don't forget to watch to the end. Alright,